What you are watching is the new design of cast frame production lines from Guangdong Maoxin Machinery. The machine length is about 13 meter, die length is 2.7 meter. It can produce frame width be 2.2 to 2.5 meter, with online frame slitting function. The machine adopts servo motor, which is more steadily and save energy. The ABC3 screw extruder construct can produce CPE or TPE frame with grid tangent. The embossing roller can be changed to get more pattern for the frame surfing. In addition, the frame with grid sealing performance is suitable to using for making bag or producing disposable glass. Guangdong Maoxin Machinery, the manufacturer professional in producing kinds of packing machinery such as frame growing machine, bag making machine, disposable glass making machine, and so on. Maoxin will always create maximum possibility.